This video is going to show you how to add, edit, and delete pictures on a web page. This does not include things such as picture slideshows, which will be a different tutorial. And at this point, it is assumed that you have already uploaded the picture to the picture manager. And if you have not done so yet and don't know how to, please watch the video entitled Uploading a Picture to the Picture Manager. So, to add a picture, we're going to go to find the page you want to edit. We're going to go to Page Properties and edit the page. And so what you want to do here is come down to your page content area, decide where you want to put the picture. I'll put it right here at the top. You're going to go and click on your Picture Manager button or Image Manager. If you have put this into a folder, please find that picture, or find the folder, I should say. I'm going to find the one, and it's the web page under construction I'm going to put on here. So find your picture, click on it. There's a few things you can do here. If you just want to add it as is, you just hit Insert. A few other things you can do. If you go under Properties, you can change the width and height, but you can also do this once you add it to the page, and I'll show you how to do that also. If you want to add borders or colors, you can do that here. This is kind of playing around with it. Image alignment decides if you want it centered, left justified, right justified, and so on. Generally, I don't mess around with this too much unless I want to put it maybe in the center of the document. The other thing you can do is go to Image Editor here, and here's the image. A few things you can do: you can crop it, you can flip it if you wish. You can, just to see what a crop is, if you click on it, you kind of have this little box that pops up here. You can, kind of drag it around. This is making a perfect square. If you want to get rid of the square, it has your width and your height being the same. You just click this little box to break that link, and you can kind of make it kind of whatever you want. I like the one I'm editing actually to zoom out, and that way I can kind of see it good, and I can make it so if I just wanted to say like this sign, I could come here and just pick that sign, come down here, hit your crop button, hit save, and what that's actually going to do is it's going to create a copy of this called whatever it was, under construction underscore thumb, and then you can hit insert there. Oh, alt text. Go to properties, alt text. Remember, this is the part that if people with hearing or vision impairments can hover their mouse over and it'll read to them. So I would put website under construction, or whatever you'd want somebody to have read to them if they put their mouse over this picture. And hit insert, and it looks like that. I'm also going to show you how to delete. So if I want to delete it, a few things you can do. You can click on it. You can see how it's highlighted. We can actually edit it. We can grab these things and stretch it. We can do things like that to it. We can just press the delete button and it goes away. I'm going to go and add another picture and go to Image Manager. Come down, find my original document. In fact, I'm going to show you how to delete a document too. So I want to get rid of this one here. So if I click on it, press this delete button here, and hit OK, it actually will go away. And not everybody has the ability to do that, but if you want to kind of keep this cleaned up and you don't have that ability, please let me know. So I'm going to go back, find this one. This is the document I like, or the picture I like. I don't want to change it. I'm going to hit Insert. Alt text. I go to Properties again. Type in website or web page. Insert it, and there it is. A couple things too. We'll go back to it. You can edit it, make it bigger and smaller. If I actually want to add some text around this, I can click here and I can type, and I'm just going to kind of type some other stuff here just to kind of show you what happens here. So you can kind of come in here and play around. If you go back to here, right click on it, I can go to Properties, kind of get back to the same one here. Try some different alignments on here. Kind of see what they look like, where things go, and how it affects the text. So this is kind of a playing around with it. and learning as you go, because it's kind of touchy and it's different for each setting and picture you have. So that's how you do that.